Top 5 apps like NSHSSorg review that actually work today. SOR is known for connecting high-achieving students and professionals, but most people get this wrong by not exploring other verified networking and scholarship platforms. The surprising truth is there are several apps that provide educational resources, networking, and career opportunities. Here are 5 that actually work today. First, LinkedIn offers professional networking, mentorship, and career resources. Users highlight verified profiles and vast industry connections. Second, Chegg focuses on student resources, textbook rentals, and tutoring. App users love easy access to educational tools and scholarship info. Third, CapEx helps students find scholarships and college options with verified reviews. Users appreciate transparent details and user-friendly search. Fourth, Unigo provides college reviews, scholarships, and career guidance. Customers highlight accurate info and helpful tools for students. Finally, Handshake connects students and graduates to internships and job opportunities. Users love verified company profiles and networking features. Pro tip: always verify scholarships and networking opportunities through official sources. This ensures safe, legitimate engagement. These 5 apps help students and professionals build networks, access scholarships, and advance careers confidently.